Good morning, class 2. It's your lesson number 2, Investigating Plants. We have already discussed this chapter, but firstly, I will revise this chapter for you. So, we have read about the China rose plant. It has many parts, it has big red flowers, it has green leaves, it has stems, and it has roots that is present underground. Secondly, we have discussed different parts of trees and plants. In trees, there are flowers, branches, leaves, and trunk and roots. While in plants, there are flower, bud, leaf, stem, and roots. Lastly, we have discussed little detail about each part of a plant. Firstly, the roots. Roots are basically present underground the soil and gives or supply nutrients, water and minerals to the whole plant. Next is stem. Some plants have soft stem while other like trees have hard and rigid stem known as trunk. Then we have green leaves that are of different shapes and sizes, but it changes its color to brown when it grows old. Buds are also present on the plant that opens up to form a flower. And flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant that are of different color, shapes and smells. And the foremost job of the flower is to make fruits, and fruits have seeds in them. So now students, today we will do the question answers of this chapter. So let's get started. Answer these questions. Question number 1, where do the roots take water from? So here we have to give information that from where do the roots take water and supply to the whole part of the plant. So we have already discussed, and it is very simple, that all plants have roots and roots grow down into the soil. So roots take water from the soil and supply to the whole part of the plant. So question number 1, where do the roots take water from? So we will write it as roots take water from the soil because roots are present underground the soil. Now question number 2, when do leaves change their color? We have already discussed this now. So now tell me, when do the leaves change their color? As we all know that usually or mostly the leaves are of green color, but they change its color to brown when they become old. So when do the leaves change their color? So we can write it as leaves change their color when they become old. Question number 3, what is the function of a flower? Now you people tell me, what is the function of the flower? This is very simple. We have already discussed. Now tell me. So, the first and foremost duty or the job of the flower is to make fruits. Here you can see these are the fruits. Strawberry is the fruit. So, what is the function of the flower? So, we can write it as the function of a flower is to make fruit. Question number 4. Which part of a plant has seeds? So, this is very simple. Which part of a plant has seeds? It's the fruit. Here you can see these are the strawberries, and strawberries are the fruits, and this yellow parts present on the strawberry is the seeds, and all fruits contain seeds. Which part of a plant contains seeds? So we can write it as fruit is the part of a plant that has seeds. Question number 5. Which part of the plant is called stem? As we have already discussed, the stem is the main portion of a plant. It supports the whole plant, and stem is present between the roots and the leaf. So the portion that is present between the roots and the leaf is called stem. So which part of the plant is called stem? The part between the roots and the leaf is called the stem. Now I will repeat these all question answers for you. Question number 1. Where do the roots take water from? So the answer is roots take water from the soil. Question number 2. When do leaves change their color? So the answer is leaves change their color when they become old. Question number 3. What is the function of a flower? So the answer is the function of a flower is to make fruit. Question number 4. Which part of a plant has seed? So its answer is fruit is the part of a plant which has seeds. Question number 5. Which part of the plant is called stem? So the answer is the part between the roots and the leaves is called the stem. So now students, I think you have better understands all these question answers.